Alright guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use icon element. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, click on this elements option and then drag and drop this icon element on your page, and then you can see our icon element is placed on our page. So now for editing and modifying it, here on the right side you can see the more options will appear as you already know. So here in the top you can see the content, style and advanced tabs. So in the content tab you can choose any icon from here, or either you can also select the icon from your computer storage as you like. Next you can put your icon link on here, and also you can edit the setting of your link from here. So now let's move to the style tab, in which you can edit the alignment left, center and right. Next you can change the icon size from here, and then next you can rotate your icon from here. Next you can add a little hover animation to your icon if you like, and then next you can change the icon color from here. Next you can add the background to your icon if you want. You can use the any color for your icon background from here, or either you can add the image to your icon background from here. Next you can add the border to your icon, and then next you can add the box shadow from here. Next you can change the border radius from here, and then next you can change the padding from here. So this is how you can use the icon element. So please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and thanks for watching.